Okay, Pisces, let's see what exciting things are happening to you in the next 30 days. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Pisces, exciting things happening to you in the next 30 days. Let's see. Whoa, 3 of Swords. Separation. Disappointment. Pwedeng sa relationship ito. So, this can mean someone who is close to you. Maaring you may experience disappointment. Pwedeng someone is going to break your heart. Pag inisip mo, anong exciting doon? Ano nga ba exciting sa heartbreak, diba? So, what is exciting about that is yung pagkatapos ng unos, no? Pagkatapos ng problema na yon. And for others, exciting yon para sa kanila. Dahil yung iba, pwedeng gusto nyo na rin na may mag-end. Gusto nyo na rin na tapusin ang isang connection or relationship with someone. Oh, King of Pentacles energy. To focus on yourself, your career, your finances. Pwede kasing yung iba sa inyo may ka-deal na person na very close sa inyo, no? And maaring itong person na to is dinisappoint kayo. You were disappointed about this person na pwedeng break niya yung promise niya sa'yo, yung mga pinangako niya, or na-realize mo na itong taong pala to is walang pangarap sa buhay, walang gustong marating. And maaring you are separating from that person because you feel like you don't deserve that kind of situation. Hindi mo deserve yung ganun. Na nasa-stress pagdating sa pera. And with the King of Pentacles feminine energy, I feel like ikaw mismo mas magiging independent, focusing on your money, no, sa pera mo. And the King of Pentacles is about being a Midas touch or having a Midas touch. Na kung ano yung hawakan mo, yun yung magiging successful, magiging abundant. And hindi mo magagawa yan kung meron kang kasama sa buhay na humihila sa'yo pababa. 'Di ba? 3 of Cups. So you are also going out, meeting new people, connecting more with a lot of people. May mga bago kang makikilalang kaibigan. Pwedeng mas magiging outgoing ka. No? Pupunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar. This is also a celebration. Alam niyo yung iba, may nakukuha akong energy rito na masaya na nakipaghiwalay siya. Kasi para siya nabunutan ng tinik. Pwede kasi yung iba kasi nagsistay sa isang relationship na dysfunctional, na ayaw nyo na. Pero, nagsistay pa rin. Pwede kasing ayaw mong manggaling sa'yo, na ikaw yung magbe-break ng ganong klaseng situation. Kaya yung iba naghihintay na yung person nila ang makipag-break sa kanila. Okay? So, ngayon, you are going to find independence, freedom. Mas marami kang friends, mas maraming connections. King of Cups. I feel like another surprising thing here or exciting things to happen is merong tao sa buhay mo na maaring magiging very close sa'yo, na marirealize mo itong taong to is sobrang mahal ka pala, sobrang importante ka pala sa kanya. Marirealize mo lang yon nung umalis ka na sa isang toxic situation, toxic relationship. This can be your best friend or a very close friend na nakamasid lang sa love life mo. Tapos, nung finally, natauhan ka na, at nakaalis ka na sa toxic situation na yan, itong friend mo, nandyan yan para sa'yo. To help you out. Page of Wands. Adventure time. You are going on an adventure in the next 30 days. I think marami ka pang i-discover about yourself. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawa dahil sa isang limitasyon mo. Can be a limitation for your because of your relationship, or meron kang kontrata na hindi mo pa kumbaga may kontrata ka pa kaya hindi ka pa makalaya na magawa yung mga gusto mo dahil may mga policies, may mga rules na kailangan mong sundin. At ngayon, ang exciting dito is pinalalaya ka na or makakalaya ka na sa ganong situation. Oh my God, tinan mo, transformation, no? Phoenix rising from the ashes. A new era, transmutation. The end is just the beginning. Oh my God. Oh, Pisces. Whatever is nag-end, kahit na painful situation yan, pwedeng due to trust issues, betrayal. So, mabilis ka makaka-recover from that. You are finally into your new era. Starting something new. So, maaring, this is your energy because you are a water sign. I think also yung inyong instinct, yung intuition nyo mas lalong lalakas. Mas magiging sensitive kayo sa nararamdaman nyo, sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao. Dahil dyan, mas alam mo ngayon kung sino yung totoo at sino yung mayroong hindi magandang intention sa'yo. Some of you, travel opportunities, unexpected. You are leaving things behind. Meron kayong aalisan na. So, pwedeng trabaho ito or anything na you want to get away from. Gusto mong umalis doon. Divine Feminine, you are being called on to rise. Yes. The feminine energy is about creativity and being more nurturing to yourself. So, I think mas lalo mong aalagaan yung sarili mo. Yan. Oh my God. Tignan nyo. Divine service. How can you serve yourself better? So, sabi ko, diba, alagaan nyo yung sarili nyo. So, tatanungin nyo sa sarili nyo, self, ano yung kailangan mo? Ano yung kailangan kong gawin para sa'yo, self? Ganon. Kasi you have your needs. Kaya lang minsan, hindi yan na ibibigay ng partner mo, ng trabaho mo, ng company that you are working for. So, you have to do it for yourself. Because you owe it to yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.